Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get Google mobile services on your Huawei device running Harmony OS. By default, Harmony OS doesn't support Android applications, but with this method, if you follow it, is very easy. You're going to get Google Play Store on your device, which will now enable you to install Android applications onto your Huawei device. This device in particular that I'm using is the Huawei Pure 70 Pro. And to verify that, I'm going to show you guys the about phone. So you verify, and as you can see here, it reads Huawei Pure 70 Pro, which is the 512 gigabyte internal storage model with 12 gigabyte of RAM. It's running Harmony OS. And as you can see, I have Playstore installed on this application along with some other Google applications like YouTube, my Gmail application, and other Android applications that I've installed on this device. After setting up your Huawei device as a new user, all you have to do is you swipe down from the top right hand corner where you'll have this gear icon right here, which is the settings icon. You tap on it and then you tap right here where it reads by default sign in. So after tapping on sign in, if you have an account, you can log in. If you don't, you now register. After registering, you're going to be logged into your Huawei device with your Huawei ID. So after logging into your Huawei ID or your newly created ID, you now come back to your desktop where you find App Gallery. So you now open your App Gallery. App Gallery by default is the app store for the Harmony OS. So after opening your App Gallery, you now tap on this search bar right here and then you type in Gbox. You type in Gbox just like this, Gbox. After that, you tap on search. Then this is the Gbox application that you should install. As you can see, this is the logo of the application. So you install. After installing the application, you agree to all the terms and then you tap on open to open Gbox. By default, it will come with Google Play Store application. And to make a shortcut of this Google Play Store application, you tap and hold on it and then you tap on create shortcut. What this does, it sends a shortcut of this application to your desktop, meaning you don't have to always open your Gbox to be able to access Google Play Store application. So as you can see, this is the newly created shortcut for the Google Play Store application. So you just tap on your Google Play Store application. Right here, you search for any application, any Android application that you want to download. I'm going to download a very light application just for the purpose of this video. So I'm installing this application. As you can see, after downloading from this Play Store, it's going to ask for your permission to install, as you can see, after performing security check. So after that, you tap on install and it has now installed the application IME on local, which is an Android application, and it is now been installed on our Harmony OS. So the Gbox is more of an emulator. Google mobile services that the Gbox installed is that of Android 12. So by default, the application will be added to your app drawer. It will be sent automatically to your desktop where you can access the applications. And these are a couple of applications that I've installed to the Google Play Store, like this Chrome right here. And as you can see, Chrome runs fine on this Huawei device. And as you can see, I have Chrome, I have YouTube application. This WhatsApp is that of Android and it works well. I receive notifications on time. There is no delay and anything. And this is the YouTube application, as you can see. So pretty much everything runs smoothly. And ensure that from time to time, you open your Gbox application and search for update. If you want to install update of your Android application that you've installed through this Gbox, you open Gbox and you now tap on this update icon where you see update of the applications that you've installed through Gbox. So you can just go back and do make sure you tap on this top right hand lines, horizontal lines, so you can be able to check for update if there's any for your Gbox by tapping on settings. And then if you are facing any issues, you could as well just come here, open settings and then reset virtual machine. It's going to reset the settings of your Gbox as well. This is pretty much it on getting Android applications to run on your Huawei device that is running Harmony OS. And if you've enjoyed this video tutorial and you find it helpful, ensure you like it and share it with others who might find it helpful as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.